Throughout the last many years, carbs procured negative criticism since they are accepted to without any assistance cause weight gain. Furthermore, this conviction is reverberated by a great many individuals all over the planet. Be that as it may, as a general rule, carbs are no less significant than protein to give your body the energy it requires to work. Alongside different advantages. Additionally, an enemy of carb diet is so old school. What's more, here's the reason. There's a contrast among solid and undesirable carbs. A considerable lot of us are simply not mindful of the various medical advantages of carbs. At the point when individuals choose to mix clear of carbs, they frequently neglect that there are various kinds of carbs. They are not simply chips and donuts or pungent tidbits and cheeseburgers. We continue failing to remember that new leafy foods, entire grains, earthy colored rice, quinoa, vegetables are additionally rich in carbs. The awful or complex carbs incorporate greasy, oily, handled food varieties that have an excessive number of calories. Sadly, this isn't the main thing they are well known for. Unfortunate carbs are likewise very high in refined sugars and refined grains. And yet, they are exceptionally low in fiber, contain practically no supplements by any stretch of the imagination, might be high in cholesterol and immersed fat. On the other hand, the degraded carbs contain a gigantic assortment of supplements, are exceptionally high in fiber, low in cholesterol and trans fats, as well as they are not overburdened with calories and don't by any stretch of the imagination contain refined sugars. Helpful carbs. Thus, as long as you stay with the essentials and keep away from refined sugar, vegetable oils, white flour, greasy food varieties, cheap food and other handled food varieties denied of fiber, minerals and supplements, you are all set. Why abandoning carbs won't assist you with getting thinner? For some, changing to a without carb diet isn't such a huge amount about well-being for all intents and purposes, about unadulterated weight reduction. That is the reason it might appear to be really amusing that dispensing with carbs in quest for weight reduction might make a seriously inverse difference.